Hi, I'm hiking. Missouri is a great place to hike. In Unit 2, you'll be learning about the basics of ecology and ecosystems, especially the relationships between different species. When I encounter a deciduous forest, it can be easy to only see the trees. But if I observe more carefully, I can locate birds, bugs, frogs, insects. If I'm very patient and quiet, I might observe turtles and deer, rabbits and squirrels. I don't really have to be too quiet to find squirrels. Remember homeostasis and balance? A healthy ecosystem also finds balance. There are coyotes that eat their rabbits, and the rabbits eat the grass. Plants and fungi are living species, and they interact with the animals, producing thorns to protect themselves or creating seeds that stick to the animal fur. You get the idea. And don't forget about the unseen bacteria, archaea, and protists that are integral for a healthy forest ecosystem. Be sure to focus on these relationships as you learn about how life stays in balance. This unit also introduces the scientific evidence for climate change. Remember that science is never based on anecdotal evidence, which are stories. Scientific claims must be based on empirical evidence that we gather using our senses. That's the only evidence we can use in science class. Make sure that as you learn about the evidence behind the greenhouse effect, which leads to global warming, which is producing climate change, that you avoid cultural, political, religious, or anecdotal evidence to make your claims, and only use scientific empirical evidence. Since this is a science class, that's the only way we can study the topic. But it doesn't mean the other ways don't have value. Complicated scientific ideas make better sense when they're organized. This is a good chapter to make tables in your notes or flashcards for terms. Have you ever made a vocabulary page? Remember to always study with the least amount of distractions possible. Reducing distractions is really helpful for the simulations and graphs in this unit. Studying and processing the details will help you make sense of how those simulations and graphs connect to the main ideas. Please email anytime. I love getting questions and notes from you. Go Science!